Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to make very small garlands for idols or vigrahas which look like this. Usually many of us will be having very small idols, and for that we'll not be able to get very nice garlands and all. And that is why I thought let me make this video and show you all on how easily you can make varieties of garlands sitting right at your home. Over here, I'm going to make garland for this Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Basically, there are going to be a few videos that I'm going to release you on how to make various types of garland. But right now, for today's video, I have taken the idol of Bhuvaneshwari Devi, which is 12 inches in height. Ideally speaking, this is a very good size of idol, but even then, I find it very difficult when I have to put a mala which comes like this, okay? Not the tomale. The tomale is not a problem for her, but the problem is when I'm going to put a garland in this way, okay, that is when I'm going to have a problem, because I want the jewelry also to be shown, and along with that I want the garland also to be shown. So the main challenge over here in such a case will be that the garland has to be really thin. Okay, it should not be very fat, so that it doesn't cover up either the beauty of the saree or the beauty of the jewelry. Okay, and that is a kind of a garland that I'm going to make today, and all the material that I'm going to use today, they are readily available in Amazon. I'm going to leave a link, and also I'm going to leave a link for an wholesale shop from where you can get all of these beads and all. So all you need to do is just call them on their mobile and give your requirement on WhatsApp, and they'll be able to ship it anywhere in India and even outside India also if required. This kind of a garland is going to be especially useful for those people who are staying abroad and they are not able to find any garlands at all. They will be able to get lots and lots of artificial beautiful flowers in smaller sizes, but they will not know on how to make such garlands. Okay, so over here I'm not making a flower garland. Okay, it is going to be a mixture of flower and beads today, because for the flower we'll be needing very small size flowers, unfortunately, which are not available. So in case if you want tiniest flowers, then you will have to buy the paper flowers, okay, the paper roses especially, and you should not be purchasing any of the other kind of artificial flowers. But today I am going to use a different kind of an artificial flower which is available everywhere. Okay, so in case if you also want to learn on how to make this kind of a garland, then please don't miss to watch this video till the end. So to start with, I have taken a thread and I have put it into a needle. Okay, and the length of this particular thread that I have taken is somewhere like this. So I want my garland to come till here, or even a little down is also okay, but it should not be too down. So somewhere about here is what I want. And I have left a little bit of gap also over here because I want some tanglings to come out over here. Okay, so some like about an inch or something, I want some tangles also to be there at the end of the garland. So if I'm going to keep it over here, and if I measure, it should actually come till the shoulder and at least halfway at the back. Okay, and I've just kept it a little long so that in case if we want, we should have enough thread to tie and all that. So in the same way, I have taken 4 separate needles and I have put the threads for it, and each one of these needles is separate. Okay, they are not joined with each other. The threads and the needles are separately put, and the knots are tied at the end in this way. Now let me just show you the material which is required for making this garland. We are going to need some pearls like this. Okay, and these pearls are not like very expensive and all. It's quite reasonable kind of material that we are able to get anywhere. We even get this in itsy bitsy shops or in any of the embroidery shops and all. And I will also be using some gold beads like this. And I will also be using these kind of red beads. It is not necessary that you have to use the same pattern. You can use any of the other patterns also. And I had ordered these kind of roses from Amazon. These are all roses which are made out of foam sheets. Okay, and they also have this beautiful net at the back. It is optional whether you want to keep this net or you want to remove it. And in case if you want, you also get artificial leaves for making the garlands and all. Even that can be used. So I'm just going to leave a link for all of these things in the description box, just in case if you also want to purchase them. So over here, in this particular garland, I'm only going to use red roses. And there are various other types of garlands also which I'm going to make, for which I'll be using different kinds of flowers. To start with, I will be using this very small, the gold beads. And this part will be for the tanglings. We are going to start all the way from the tanglings and we are going to work upwards. Now this part what you are seeing over here, from here till here, I'm just going to repeat it for all the 4 needles, and all the 4 needles have to go through a single red rose. Okay. So now you can see I have put the same bead sequence for the rest of the 3 needles also. Now one by one we'll have to take it through this rose from the center. So what I have done is I have just tied this part of the thread with this part over here. I've just joined it. And this completes our minimalistic garland that we can actually put for a goddess or a god. And see how pretty this looks. Let me just put it on Bhuvaneshwari Devi and I'll show you on how beautiful this is looking. Now you can see on how beautiful this garland is looking. Now instead of using such big flowers, you can also use small flowers, and you can even put a small flower over here also in case if required. Purposefully I have not put any flowers over here because I'll be putting too many necklaces and too many jewelries around. So this completes today's video. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.